This USB flash drive is 1 terabyte. It slides in and out. That way you don't risk breaking it if you're carrying it in your pocket or a bag. It has the Type-C adapter for the phone. Works great. Works on the computer. Works on the phone. It works on Android and iPhone. The instructions are mostly for the iPhone. I use Android, so the Android instructions are just like 1 page out of the whole instructions. I like it a lot. Works great. Let me give you one little tip for people who are new to this kind of stuff, because a lot of people, if they're trying to save something into here, what they do, and I did this too, so this is why I like to tell people this, because I actually did this before, and a lot of people do this, is instead of copying it, let's say you're taking a picture out of your gallery, you copy it or you move it, but you should copy it. But a lot of people will just move it into here, and they really wanted it to stay in their gallery too. They go look in their gallery and they're like, oh no, it's not in my gallery. So they go back in here, they stick this back in their phone, and they try to move it from here to their gallery. Well, you can't move it to the gallery. You can move it back into your phone, but you have to move it into the internal storage. So instead of moving it, you can move it from your gallery into here. So people will go back and think they can move it from here into their gallery, and then they can't. And then they go, I guess you can't move it back into your phone. Well, you can, but you have to move it from the USB. You copy it. Don't just move it, you copy it. You copy it, and then you go into your internal storage, and then you find whatever folder that you want to put it in, and you put it in the folder in your internal storage, and then it'll be back in your gallery folder, whatever one you put it in. So hopefully that helps, and a lot of people do that, and I did that. I'm one of them. So that's why I like to say that, because it helps out a lot of people. So I hope you have a good day.